In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can buy the Kaspa cryptocurrency completely for free. And if you find value in this video, consider dropping the video a like, share the video. Open up the wallet that you would like to buy Kaspa. In this case, I'm using MetaMask, and we are going to send it over to a website called simpleswap.io. Once simpleswap.io has been opened up and loaded, you want to click this icon right here and change in the cryptocurrency that you would like to send or swap to Kaspa. And then right here, type in KAS and then click Kaspa. Now here you can double tap and edit the amount of Ethereum you would like to transfer over and purchase Kaspa for this example. And as you guys can see in this case, there is a floating rate that says you will get this much worth of Kaspa for this much of Ethereum or whatever it is that you are swapping. And if you're happy, click exchange. And then right here where it says enter the wallet address, paste the address that you want to receive Kaspa. In this case, I'm going back to MetaMask wallet, and once it has been loaded, you want to go up and copy that address or the receiving end, and then click and then paste. And then now you do need access to a Kaspa wallet. I am using a free online wallet online called Kaspa, where you can create an account and copy the receiving address right here, and then do the same thing, paste. You have to make sure that this is a Kaspa wallet or address, or this will not work. And you have to create an address to send and exchange the Ethereum to Kaspa. But in here you want to paste the Kaspa address, and in case if you do want a refund, in case something does happen, you never know, you want to have your address and you want to have your email. Now we're going to click create and exchange. And wait for this to load. And now, as you can currently see on the screen, it's currently waiting the deposit of your crypto or cryptocurrency that you want to send over, or Ethereum, to this address right here. And you have a QR code, or you can even copy this directly. And once the receiving address has been copied, go over to your cryptocurrency wallet and prepare to send the crypto to the address that you had just copied. Click send, paste the receiving address right here, and then click next. And in this case, it's going to confirm that you want to send or receive and purchase Kaspa if you are satisfied, and then click confirm. And then give this some moments as it's going to be loading. Then voila, it says your transaction has been complete or successful. So now you want to view the activity, and as you can see, there's no longer Ethereum in this wallet, and we have successfully transferred it over. We are now going to receive a notification that the transaction has been confirmed and it's currently in progress. And as you can see on Simple Swap, you will be moving on to the next step. In this case, instead of it's pending, it's now confirming and it's now being exchanged. And now this may take some time, so be patient. And now it says it's sending. Wait for some time, and voila, there you go, there you have it. You can see you have now just received Kaspa cryptocurrency or crypto onto your wallet. Or should I say, this is how you can buy Kaspa on simpleswap.io. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.